It's a windy, cloudy day, but the temperature's in the 50s, so I'm able to get back out here and do some stuff on the greenhouse. Look at that, the wind done blew my beard that way. It gets breezy. I mean, it's nice living up here with the view we have and all the open land, but it does create a lot of wind. So I'm gonna head inside the greenhouse for a minute and show you what I've got done. There, it's not as windy in here. So as you can see, I've got the roof on, got the storm door up, got these two windows I still have to frame in around the inside of them. Got a couple of screws, as you can see, at the top and the bottom. But they're in there so snug, they're not going anywhere. I got the metal I'm gonna cover the walls with. Keep just greenhouse moisture and water away from the wood. I've got to get that part enclosed. I got this little drip edge I got to get under the windows outside here. But I got to get this thing ready so Kim can put it to use. Hey, thirsty. I got called away from working on the greenhouse because the guy I know is clearing a bunch of property, and he called and asked me if I wanted a bunch of cedar, and they've already got them down for me. I just have to delimb them, cut them to length. A bunch of them he's taking and putting on his dump bed to take to my house, and I got my little trailer. But I cannot pass this opportunity up. A lot of good cedar here, and a lot of it I'll be able to mill. Other stuff I'll use for post or sell for post. But we got rain coming too, probably like a lot of you all. So I just had to come over here, and wish I'd known I'd been here this long, because I'd sure brought something to drink. Anyhow, I need to get back at it before this rain moves in. Hey, good morning. Sitting here having a cup of coffee, watching the news. As you can see, the light from the TV on the background hitting the wall. I got to go back and get some more of those logs today if it's not too wet to get over there. I got more greenhouse stuff to work on. Got a call last night that my childhood friend that I've known for 61 years passed away, and I don't know the cause or the reason. So I'll be trying to gather information on that today. So anyhow, I just wanted to do a little short piece to finish this video up. And another busy day. Got a lot to do. All the logs that I'm gathering, I'm trying to stockpile. I'll be retiring sometime this year, and I need to get as many logs in here as possible. So I have plenty to work with. Saw, sell, use. So anyhow, like I say, another busy day for me, and we'll see what it brings. Hope the rain stays away. Sorry, I just heard Kim's phone go off. Anyhow, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Or no, it's 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna finish my coffee and get moving. So thanks for hanging out. See ya.